Yo, what's up guys? It's my last day in Pai today. It's a beautiful day and today I will try to check out some of the touristy hotspots. So I'm now driving to Pai Canyon. I think it will be like a 20-minute drive. But in the meantime, I'm driving to Pai, like through Pai still. And the nature here, the surrounding of the city is so beautiful. Everything looks so good. I hope I will be lucky with the weather all day, so we can have a beautiful day exploring Pai. And I hope it doesn't start raining, because it will ruin the view. So fingers crossed, it will be a good day all day long. Entrance at the Pai Canyon, so I will park my bike here and I guess then we start walking. Okay, now walking through the Pai Canyon. It's a bit of a hike and it's pretty hot today, but bought some Sprite and I'm not sure how far it is, we'll see. Oh, here it is. The famous Pai Canyon. I have to watch my step a little bit, otherwise I will die. Yeah, I can imagine some drunk tourist before fell down here. Oh, how do I go there? Now climbing the canyon to go down. It's a little bit dangerous to film here, but I want to capture some footage. So there are two options: go down here and climb up here, and I guess I will do both, because if I make one mistake I fall down pretty far. So yeah, this is it. This is the Pai Canyon. I think I will move on now to the next spot. Like this place is very famous, but I think it's a little bit overhyped. Like there are many beautiful places in Thailand that don't get the same attention as this place. I just wanted to check it out because I've been in Thailand so long. Now I will climb on the left side of the canyon, on the left side of the ridge. This one seems a little bit more safe and not too crazy. As you can see, it's more doable. Cannot fall easy from the left or the right side. So yeah, beautiful view. Okay, this is the viewpoint of the left side of the ridge. You definitely don't want to fall down here. If you fall down here, you're definitely dead. I'm gonna go back now and I'm gonna go check out a waterfall. It's supposed to be the most beautiful one in Pai. So that's where I'm going next. Very local place. Imagine living here. I think it would be fun for some time, but after a while it probably gets so boring. But it's definitely very cozy. Oh, that dog looked so sick. The local life in Pai. Oh, it's so beautiful here. I like this place. Damn, now it seems like I'm really driving in the jungle to find this fucking waterfall. and the road is a little bit difficult, so I have to be careful when I film. But yeah, it seems like I finally arrived. But driving here is not the easiest thing in the world, especially with one hand. Pai is very touristy, you know. Every visitor that's here, it's all foreigners and tourists. So I'm not driving to the rice fields because I cannot accept the dual pricing system. For Thai people it's only 20 baht and I pay 200 baht for just a stupid waterfall. So yeah, might die. At least with the weather I'm very lucky today. So that's one positive thing. Driving around here really looks like a fucking fairy tale, man. Reminds me of Lord of the Rings or something. Small little houses, little bridges, little villages. Definitely not a bad place to live. Wow, it really looks like a little paradise here. Like a fairy tale. Oh, he has the same camera as me. Wow, it looks so cozy here. So this is a bamboo bridge. I don't know where it leads. I guess we will find out. And I will get some food here too, because it's definitely a nice place to stay for a while. I love the vibe. Very nice here. These are the rice fields. At the moment nobody working at them, I see. And some temple in the middle. Yeah. This is a place that really makes Pai special, I can see now. It's fucking wonderful. It is getting a bit hot. I think I will take a break here and maybe get some food and some drink. Very beautiful. And I will ask somebody to take a picture of me here. Yeah, I like this so much. Amazing. Getting up close with the buffaloes. They're just chilling in the rice fields. He's just chilling here, eating his food. And this one is just chilling in the pool. I don't know if you can see him. Funny. They really made this place very beautiful. Look at what they did with it. Very romantic. Okay, so just had a drink there at the bar. Finished this whole area. I'm gonna go to another place now. It was very beautiful. So now I'm gonna take my bike and drive to Chinatown. I've been there yesterday, but it was very dark. So I'm gonna do it again today and maybe check out the sunset there. I'm entering the village of Chinatown. Doesn't it look fucking beautiful? Village high in the mountains with a majority Chinese population. Wow, so nice. Look at this view, guys. Oh my god. It's fucking absolutely stunning. And we're definitely getting higher up in the mountains because my ears just popped. Here they have a viewpoint up the hill, and yesterday I was here too, but it was dark so couldn't see anything. And wow, this is definitely the best view I've seen so far. The view look amazing. Beautiful view. 20 baht entry for this amazing view. This day is becoming very much worth it. I've seen a lot of stuff so far, and I'm starting to understand why Pai is so popular. So I'm gonna have some dinner here. This restaurant looks very beautiful. Look at this place. So I will have lunch here in this Chinese restaurant. The restaurant looks very beautiful. Excuse me. Can sit here too, can lay down, can chill a little bit. So yeah. So it's now 6 p.m. I just finished my food. I will drive back home to the hotel. There's actually someone sitting inside this wing. Yunnan swing. So yeah, everywhere around this place is like traditional Chinese buildings. So beautiful, but there's no people here. I don't know why. Like in the middle of the mountains. I will go walk there. Ah, so nice here. Found a little gem. Yeah, I think I'm back on the street. I will turn back now and finally drive home. Hey, what's up guys? I'm back in my hotel now. I will call it a day. It was a pretty long day. I'm very tired. We did a lot today. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the beautiful Pai. Tomorrow I will drive back to Chiang Mai. So see you guys in the next video. And now I will just chill a bit. I will work a little bit in the evening. I will go to the gym, go get some dinner, and that's what I will do tonight. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.